Welcome, it's Dance and Do It On. Today, we're going to be taking you to the Carnival of Terror. This home haunt is absolutely gangster. This is an amazing home haunt. They go all out, but unfortunately, it is only for Halloween, but it is worth the wait.
Booger, where are you going?
Can I go with you?
He's totally okay.
You can run, but you can't hide. Halloween is such a sensitive soul. Perhaps you will come closer and keep away the boogeyman.
Believe it or not, it's built out of pallets, which is crazy and really cool that they would do something like that. I really love everything that they put into this. And also, believe it or not, I walked in through the exit, not the entrance that you're going through right now.
Did you go out the exit? You dingbat?
Oh, hi there. Didn't see you there. But this was a great home haunt so far, so put in the comments down below what you think about this one. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed. And if you did, please liking, subscribing, and turning on notifications. And joining our morning lives, we go live at least normally every single day. So make sure you join in every live. Thank you, and we hope you have a great day.